far below us. And before it comes through the ground, it mixes with carbon dioxide in the air, making it a mildly carbonic acid. So as it seeps through the ground, it will erode away the softer, weaker materials, leaving behind the harder, stronger materials, which would account for the walls and ceilings of the caverns. Alright, so now we have a hollowed out cavity, which is perfect for secondary growth. So the water is still seeping through, and as it comes through the ground, it mixes with minerals along the way. And once it reaches the empty chamber, the water continues to drip, but the minerals will build up from the ceiling, forming stalactites like you see here. But since the water does still have some minerals as it's dripping down, the minerals will build up from the ground, forming stalagmites like you can see here. Now over enough time, the two formations can grow together, forming a column like here, but it does take an extremely long time